guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are digging in to the ABH Cosmos palette and we're going to do this gorgeous look that I did. So if you want to see how I created this look and my thoughts, well, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Guys, how are you? I'm doing good. I just wanted to explain something to you. I did buy this palette on launch day and it did come, and I did do a look with it, or two looks with it actually. I was doing two different eyes with this palette, and when I went to show you the palette, this shade came broken. Okay, this shade, when I opened it up, it was broke. And then when I went to show you the palette, the shade came falling out. So I reached out to ABH and they sent me a new palette, which they didn't have to do that, but thank you, ABH. But this palette, the shade also, same shade, came broken. So I can't hold this up and let you look at it because I'm not losing this shade this time. I did press it down with a spoon, but that's about as good as it's going to get. I think this formula is a new formula to ABH. I've never seen them with duochromes. I've seen them with shifty shades, but never duochrome. And I think they need to kind of, the Supernova is down in there, but it's a little different. It's not like that first shade. That first shade is so soft. So I don't know if they need to tweak some of their ingredients for that shade, but two palettes in a row, the shade was broken. I don't know what to do. So we did one eye look, and I am not going to review this today. I'm going to do a few more looks with it, and then I will finish my review. So you're going to get several looks out of this palette from me. And I'm going to put the look up that I did here. And I'm also going to show you swatches right here. And today I am using the ABH eyeshadow primer. Alright, so for the first color, this color right here tends to be a shade that you can use as a transition throughout the palette for every look. So I'm going in with Space Dust, and I'm going to put this right above my crease with a Sigma E25. So we're blending Space Dust, and I'm going to blend that right up into the brow. So this shade seems to be blending out beautifully, just as it did before. Now I'm going to go over, catch up the other eye. Okay, and for the second shade, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Eclipse, this one right here. It's kind of like a burgundy, purpley shade. And I'm going to take this in the outer third, just to get some depth. And I'm going to blend this into the crease and pull it back just a little. Now I'm going to take that brush that I used to put down Space Dust, and I'm just going to buff the edges. I'm not picking up any more product. Just going to buff the edges. I absolutely love ABH shadows. They're so good. Okay guys, I got that blended out. Now I want to go in with Supernova, this purpley pink duochrome. Ooh, look at that. We're going to put this right here. We are going up in right there as that burgundy shade cuts off. We're going into that crease. Then I'm going in with the shade that stuns everything, everyone, me. I am so stunned by this shade. It's about time ABH made some duochrome. I'm going to take one dot of Qzar, which is that color right there, and I'm just going to pop that in between those two. That's all I'm going to do. Now I'm going to take a clean finger and kind of just blend. This palette can make so many looks with these shifty colors. And I am going to deepen up that outer third after I get back from doing this other eye. Okay, so now I want to go into this dark matter shade. You guys will see me use this palette a lot more. I really love the look of this palette. I'm just not going to be able to hold it up. I'm taking an ABH A3. I'm just going to pack a little extra of dark matter out in the outer third in the same shape that we have going on. Now I'm going to take the brush that we use to lay down Space Dust and just push that in. I didn't darken up the outer third enough. I thought I did. Let me take a little bit of Supernova and put some more on top where I had it. Yeah, that's better. Okay guys, so now that I have my eyes done with shadow, I'm going to go put on a liner and lashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back, and we are going to finish this under eye, but I think I want to add, I guess, a dark, like a black liner. It is. I'm going to use my KVD tattoo pencil liner in black. I'm going to go into my palette, and I'm going to go into that black dark matter. It's not a black. Kind of looks like a purplish black. I don't know. And we're going to put this under the lash line. And then I want to take a refer, and I want to dip into clips just on the tip of this brush, and I want to buff that out. Oh yeah. So I want to go in with a very soft pink blush. I'm going to go into the Bare Cheeks, this one right here. And I want to start the soft pink up here. Kind of up here at the temple. This blush right here in Love Me. I'm going to start to just dab. So I do have a purpley highlighter, It's from the first Glam Light Michaela collab, and I'm going to go into this color right here. I'm going to use this Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. Dip in just a little. And then I'm going to go in the inner corner with this. So here is the look, guys, and I'm going to add this purple gloss from Gerard Cosmetics and Emily D. Baker. This is Hearsay. I am obsessed with these glosses. Oh my gosh. Obsessed is not the word. I love these glosses. I absolutely love this look. Now, let's turn down the lights for the effect one more time. I hope you could see that. Let me know, did you pick up this palette? And if you did you have the same issues out of the first shade? So guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Please let me know, did you pick up the ABH Cosmos palette? I'm not going to give my review just yet. I want to use this palette a couple more times. If I can get through it with that first shade, I want to do more looks. Because I'm obsessed with these freaking shimmers. If you could see what they look like in my mirror, you'd be obsessed too. The camera does not do this shade justice. Any of these shades, that duo, I mean, love it. Love. And I'm really glad that ABH got on board with getting some duochrome in their palette. I wish there was more than two, but they need to work on that formula because Super Cluster does not want to stay in the palette. Please let me know if you have had any issues with this palette if you ordered it. And if you didn't order it, are you going to order it? Yes, that first shade has given me some issues. I don't know about anybody else because I haven't watched any other reviews. I want to do my own to give you my personal opinion. So let me know down in the comments. We will do another tutorial because there's so many more shades that I want to dip into in this palette, and this is an easy palette to use, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It does help me so much here on YouTube. It helps to direct traffic over to my page. And if you like makeup and beauty from a mature woman over 50, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.